accepting the honors of being the mayor of Panji with humility, and I solicit the support of the government of Goa with Mr. Siddharth Kunkalekar as the MLA of Panji to act as a bridge between the Goa government and the CCP, and Mr. Manohar Parrikar to act as a bridge between the Goa government and the centre so as to realize the aspirations of the residents of this capital city by carrying out developmental works which are long overdue. I also wish to request all the elected councillors to extend me their support towards accomplishing the tasks that have been left undone in the previous years, namely setting up of a garbage treatment plant, if not at Bangani, due to opposition of the residents of the area, then at Taligaon, in the 26,000 square meters of land allotted by Mr. Babu Smutsara, which works will be undertaken on a priority basis. For the accomplishment of this task, I also solicit the support of various private companies, banks and well-wishers to contribute their might in achieving this important task, which will benefit the entire city, Panji city area, and thus cater to the aspects which have been long eluding accomplishment. The restoration of the Satinis Creek is also a very important task at hand, and this time it is my endeavour that we will collectively bear the burden of addressing this important issue. In the like manner, streamlining of the traffic management of Panji with the assistance of the traffic police and implementing prudent measures for resolving the parking of vehicles in the city area is also one of my priority tasks. As far as maintaining the cleanliness of the Panji, I would like to state that we can maintain the city, speak and span, and educate measures will be taken for the same. For doing so, I call on every resident of Panji to refrain from littering garbage except depositing them at demarcated collection areas. And I appeal to the CCP union leaders and the workers to cooperate with us by keeping the city clean.